Hi, Vanessa here, a project manager working from home. I'd like to share tips in maintaining flexibility while working from home. First, you need to be adaptable. Adjust your schedule as needed, whether a child is homesick or an urgent work task arises. Your ability to pivot and adapt is crucial. Second, communicate with your employer. Maintain open communication about your flexible schedule. Ensure they understand when you are available and how to reach you during off hours. Third, practice self discipline. Flexibility requires commitment to avoid procrastination. Stick to your work hours and tasks to stay productive. Fourth, set realistic goals. Break down larger projects into manageable tasks. This makes it easier to fit work around your family schedule and helps you make steady progress. By embracing flexibility, you can balance professional responsibilities and family life. Be present for your loved ones while achieving your work goals. Flexibility becomes your best friend, offering a fulfilling and balanced lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more tips on working from home. Bye!